50 important SQL interview questions along with their answers. What is SQL? Answer: SQL, structured query language, is a standard programming language specifically designed for managing and manipulating relational databases. What is the difference between SQL and MySQL? Answer: SQL is a query language, while MySQL is a relational database management system, RDBMS, that uses SQL to manage databases. What is a primary key? Answer: a primary key is a unique identifier for a table record, ensuring that no duplicate values exist, and each record is uniquely identifiable. What is a foreign key? Answer: a foreign key is a field in one table that uniquely identifies a row of another table, creating a link between the two tables. What is a unique key? Answer: a unique key ensures all values in a column are unique. Unlike the primary key, it allows one null value. What are joins in SQL? Explain the different types of joins. Answer: joins are used to combine rows from two or more tables based on related columns. Types include inner join, left join, right join, full join, and cross join. What is a self-join? Answer: a self-join is a regular join, but the table is joined with itself. What is an index? Why is it used? Answer: an index is a database object that improves the speed of data retrieval operations on a table at the cost of additional storage space and slower write operations. What is normalization? Explain the different normal forms. Answer: normalization is the process of organizing data to reduce redundancy. Normal forms include 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF, 4NF, and 5NF. What is denormalization? Answer: denormalization is the process of combining normalized tables into larger tables to improve read performance. What is a view? Answer: a view is a virtual table based on the result set of an SQL statement. It contains rows and columns just like a real table. What is a stored procedure? Answer: a stored procedure is a prepared SQL code that you can save and reuse. It can be executed with parameters. What is a trigger in SQL? Answer: a trigger is a database object that is automatically executed or fired when certain events occur. What is a subquery? Answer: a subquery is a query within another query. It is used to return data that will be used in the main query as a condition. What is the difference between delete and truncate commands? Answer: delete removes rows one by one and can be rolled back. Truncate removes all rows in a table instantly and cannot be rolled back in most systems. What is the difference between having and where clauses? Answer: where filters rows before aggregation and having filters groups after aggregation. What is a clustered index? Answer: a clustered index determines the physical order of data in a table. A table can have only one clustered index. What is a non-clustered index? Answer: a non-clustered index is a separate structure that points to the data rows. A table can have multiple non-clustered indexes. What is a composite key? Answer: a composite key is a primary key composed of two or more columns. What is the difference between the rank and dense_rank? Functions. Answer: rank assigns a unique rank to each distinct row, leaving gaps in the ranking sequence. Dense_rank assigns consecutive ranks without gaps. What are aggregate functions? Answer: aggregate functions perform a calculation on a set of values and return a single value. Examples include count, sum, avg, ion, and max. What is the difference between count and count? Answer: count, column name, counts non-null values in a column, while count counts all rows in a table, including rows with nulls. What are scalar functions? Answer: scalar functions operate on a single value and return a single value. Examples include upper, lower, round, and len. Explain the different types of constraints in SQL. Answer: constraints include not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check, and default, which enforce rules on data in a table. What is a cursor in SQL? Answer: a cursor is a database object used to retrieve, manipulate, and navigate through a result set row by row. What are the differences between OLTP and OLAP systems? Answer: OLTP, online transaction processing, Systems handle transactional data with fast query processing, whereas OLAP, online analytical processing systems, support complex queries for data analysis. What is SQL injection? Answer: SQL injection is a code injection technique that exploits a vulnerability in a software application's database layer by inserting malicious SQL code. What is the difference between union and union all? Answer: union combines the results of two queries and removes duplicates, while union all includes all duplicates. What is the use of the coalesce function? Answer: coalesce returns the first non-null value from a list of arguments. What are the different types of SQL commands? Answer: SQL commands are categorized into DDL, Data Definition Language, DML, Data Manipulation Language, DCL, Data Control Language, and TCL, Transaction Control Language.